What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the word investment? Is it hard or perhaps challenging? Well, investing may seem hard, difficult, or even challenging, but getting a head start can be helpful. A lot of young people these days don't spend the time learning how to make wise investments. This frequently occurs because they are more focused on the present rather than the future. You don't need to give up your current way of life when you're young, but a longer-term outlook and consistent investing over time will ensure that your savings and net worth will be ready for you when you do need them. Despite repeated advice to start saving and investing, exactly where and what should you do while you're still young? Today, we'll be answering those questions for you and go over 8 investments you should think about, along with particular strategies for making smart investments. Number 1, consider investing in S&P 500 index funds. Growth-oriented investments can rapidly increase your net worth, especially if you're young. These investments will increase your wealth more quickly than any other because they take use of the beauty of compound interest. The S&P 500 index is one of the safest motion-paying assets, having provided investors with an average return of 10% since 1926. Number 2, Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT. It's a category of growth investments you shouldn't overlook in your 20s. Take into account that real estate has been one of the top performing investments over the past decades if you're unsure about making an investment here. This is a terrific route for you if you are unable to purchase or invest in real estate right now. Only a few $1,000s are required, which is not much. You can hold a portfolio of commercial properties by making an investment in a real estate investment trust. Considering your investment portfolio will be diversified and invested in a number of properties across several areas, we think this is a better option than buying a single real estate unit. This will give you more security on your investment. You don't have to invest as much as you would with a single property, which is another bonus. Additionally, you won't have to handle the investment yourself. Another fantastic benefit of this investment strategy is the opportunity to invest in commercial real estate, which frequently performs better than residential properties. Also, since the real estate market varies independently from the stock market, an REIT can continue to generate profits even when the stock market is not doing well. Number 3, getting a Robo Advisor is a good idea. It is the best kind of passive investment. Online automated investment platforms known as Robo Advisors will handle all of your financial decisions. It's possible that you lack some of the knowledge required to make wise investing decisions. The role of Robo Advisors is to balance your portfolio, reinvest your dividends on a regular basis, and provide you with professional tax methods to keep your taxable investment income to a bare minimum. All you have to do is add funds to your account, and they will take care of the rest. In order to build the best portfolio, these automated platforms often invest in a combination of bonds and stocks. Number 4, get a house. Purchasing your own home may provide you more security than anything else. In addition to providing you with security, comfort, and a place to live throughout your not-so-young years, owning a home will allow you to accumulate significant value over time. Additionally, it will give you leverage. Depending on where you live, you can own a property with a down payment as low as 5% or with no down payment at all. Despite how wonderful it is to own a home, there is a drawback to purchasing a home when you are young. You might not be able to establish yourself in a specific area when you're young. You might also experience transfers to different locations within your employment. However, if this does occur, you may still furnish your house and rent it out on sites like Airbnb. Although purchasing a property is a wise financial move for a young person, you should be 100% sure before making this decision. Number 5, paying off debt. What many young people don't know is that debt can hold you back from reaching your financial goals. Debt will limit your cash flow and the amount you have to invest. Most of us have debt of some sort in today's credit card-driven society, with loans available with a click of a button. One of the biggest problems that people in their 20s and 30s confront is student loan debt. They also have outstanding credit card bills, college loans, and even car loans. If you have a debt, you must establish some sort of balance. Making the minimum payments on your debt, while convenient, may not always be the best course of action. Starting early in life to pay off your loans is the greatest course to take for dealing with this. You'll want to get debt off your back as quickly as you can because it can be a burden. Begin with any loan with a high interest rate, such as credit cards. Making additional payments will help you pay off your debt faster than just making the minimum payment. You'll wind up saving a lot more money over time. Number 6, retirement planning. Your biggest advantage is time. By starting early, you can use compound interest to your advantage and get a head start on retirement savings. It doesn't matter how much you invest. You can start small. However, go for it if you have a lot more money to start with. Start now if you haven't already, as a year's difference in retirement savings might equal thousands of dollars. You must begin early if you want to have more money when you retire. Another great benefit of retirement planning is tax deferrals. After all, who wouldn't want to pay less in taxes? Number 7, build a network. The majority of individuals do not believe that developing a network is crucial, but as they say, your network is your net worth. It's not just about the money, so when you enter your 20s, concentrate on developing a strong network of individuals who can help you grow. Attend important gatherings, sign up for helpful clubs, mingle with people, and develop your online presence. As you develop a network, you can simply switch careers, explore opportunities, or even acquire contracts for your business through it. Number 8, the greatest investment is investing in yourself. By making an investment in yourself, we imply attending to all aspects that have an impact on you. This pertains to both your physical and mental well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle and make an investment in quality health insurance. Continually enroll in classes to broaden your knowledge and expertise because you have to admit, you don't want to be at the age of 50 and having trouble learning. Take as many professional classes as you can relevant to your career path while pursuing your MBA, master's degree, or perhaps a PhD. Not only will this increase your knowledge, it will also give you additional prospects for higher paid jobs, or if you're an entrepreneur, it will assist you in running your business more effectively. Although you might not be able to invest in all of these things, make sure to choose at least a couple of them. That concludes today's video, which we hope you enjoyed and learned something from. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and consider subscribing to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.